What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we're giving ugly Betsy a facelift. Well, not really like a full facelift, just like a little thing here and there, but it's a super affordable mod that anyone can do on literally any car, and it's adding a front lip. We're gonna put a front lip on Betsy. Ooh.
So there's a before shot right there.
So actually on these cars, there's not a lot of external mods that you can really put onto it. The Russian market's kind of starting to pop off and get like more creative with this generation of car. For whatever reason, they're starting to get a lot more popular and you're able to get like actually buy stuff for it now. But it takes like 3-ish months with this COVID climate that we're in to show up from Russia all the way to California usually, or at least in my experience it has been that way. So instead of doing that and spending extra money, I'm gonna make my own front lip. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna use right now. So this is what I'm gonna use. It is a door seal, and it doesn't really look like much right now. This is exactly what I bought, in case anyone else is interested. Boop, right there. And then I got some self-tapping screws. I went with 5/8 of an inch. I think you could probably get away with 1/2 inch. Don't really need 5/8, but it's fine. And then my screw gun, that's my screw gun. So this stuff right here, this is like $18. I think this was like 12 bucks and this was like 6 bucks. So it's like roughly $18, and you can put a front lip on literally any car. You put it on that one, put it on that one. I can put it on a motorcycle. Literally any vehicle you could do this on. It's super, super simple. The screw gun, on the other hand, that costs like $500, so don't do that. Just go get like a Milwaukee one for like 80 bucks. But let's get started. All right, and there she blows. There's the after. And there you go, now the Subaru has a front lip. It's a little bit too short, in my opinion, for how big that bumper is. I would recommend going with like a 15-foot door seal instead of a 12-footer. But overall, it looks way better. And the cool thing about this is that you can literally do it with any car. Again, I also don't recommend doing it on like any bumper that you like, but you could literally do this on your 350Z, 240, RX-7, well, I don't know, anything. You can put this on literally anything and it would look good. But yeah, it brings a little bit of tone out of the front of the car, so it's kind of cool. It's a little bit different. It's affordable. Instead of spending, you know, $70 on a front lip that you could accidentally destroy, you can spend $12 on that and it never gets broken. Like, pretty good deal to me. I highly recommend doing this if you're looking for a front lip and you don't feel like spending like 70-80 bucks on something like that and waiting 3 months for it to ship all the way from Russia. And it's a little subtle thing that looks pretty cool. So I don't know, try it out. You might like it, you might not. Again, you're drilling holes into your bumper, so, you know, unless you're ready to fully commit to something like that, or you really don't really care about your front bumper, then I wouldn't really do that. But personally, I don't really care about this front bumper. I'm probably going to exchange it out for something later. Like I was saying earlier, external mods for this car are getting a lot more popular now, and it's a lot easier to kind of find stuff that looks good. So for right now, this works for me, and I'm gonna let it ride. It's just a subtle difference that looks good. But that's it. You can get all that stuff at your local Home Depot. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to watch the rest of me building Betsy in the playlist linked below, and watch all the other shenanigans I get into with the boys once I'm out of this dungeon quarantine. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check in tomorrow because we'll have more content loaded up then. Later.